Hi guys, I'm James for OneShift. Now you may have seen those screens that have come with ERP 2.0 and maybe you might not want them in your car so much. Well, I've got the solution for you. There's Breeze app which is now integrated fully with ERP 2.0 and it works through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's check it out. Now the first thing you gotta do is to pair your phone with the OBU in the car. And you can do this through the Breeze app. It will just lead you through straight to the One Motoring website to get it done. And once it's paired, you can then use Bluetooth to connect the phone to the OBU, and this is a really seamless process. Now the best thing about the Breeze app is actually there's full compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And all you need to do is just connect to CarPlay and Android Auto either wireless or through wire, depends on your car, and click through to the app, and you have full access to navigation as well as seeing the value on your CPass card. And the app will also tell you OBU notifications, so things like silver zones, speed cameras and so on, and it's fully integrated into the Breeze app. Currently 4 apps that you can use with ERP 2.0, but Breeze is the only one that is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So I think it's really the app that I would pick for this purpose. And yeah, go try it out. I think it's a really great app to use ERP 2.0 and without having to resort to the touchscreen.